Welcome to the Cloquet Public Library Summer Adult Reading Challenge tutorial on Beanstack. If you go to the Cloquet Public Library webpage first, cloquetlibrary.org, here on the front page you'll see a link for Beanstack. You can click on that. Then it will take you to the Cloquet Public Library Beanstack page. And here then you can choose to either register an individual or family or sign in if you've already created an account. At this point, we're going to assume that you've not created an account, so you can go ahead and click on Register an Individual. And at the bottom, it just gives a brief bit of information about how the Beanstack program works. So we'll click on Register an Individual. And have you previously used Beanstack? At this point, you can click on No if you're registering for the first time. And since this is the adult program, then we will click I am registering myself. And then it will ask you to provide your reader information. Anything with a red star is a required field. And you do not have to enter a phone number if you don't want to. This information is only to contact you if you do win a prize, one of the 3 drawings. We do not use this information for anything else. And then you can create a password. And then it will ask you information, the same information that it asks when you're registering a child. Your age, which you can be honest about, or you can fudge a bit as long as you're over 18. Then which grade you'll be in the fall, which in this case, since it's the adult program, you can choose adult. And then school that you'll attend will be adult not applicable. And here you can choose for gender one of these 3 choices or prefer not to respond. So now the profile has been created, so you can then choose between the Kids Summer Reading Program or the Adult Summer Reading Challenge. So in this case, we will click on Register for the adult one. So now we are registered, and you can click on Next. And would you like to add another adult? If you have a family that you would like to add, you can add another adult at this time here. In this case, we'll say no. And here you can also add child if you would like to, but we'll say no here. Now we're set up. And it does say, because we did not register for the Kids Summer Program, it does say that Elizabeth is not currently registered for this challenge. If you wanted to register for that, you certainly could. If you had a baby or something you wanted to just put in the information and not do it separately, you can do that. Otherwise, you can click on Return to this challenge for the Adult Summer Read Program. And then here, we can choose logging badges, ticket drawings, or challenge log. And logging badges is where you'll go to enter the books that will show you when you've read 5 books, 10 books, and 15 books, then you earn the different badges, just like in the kids program, when you complete different activities. So if we go to log reading and activities, it only gives us a choice of books because that's all we are recording for the adult program. Then you can choose a date. We'll choose the 8th and say how many books were read. You can enter, if you want to enter 5 books on one date versus 1 book per day in the different days that they were read, you can do that. If you would like to enter the title and author, you can, but only if you choose 1 book read. And then include a review if you'd like to. So we'll skip this part and click on log. And now we have 1 book logged. And if I want to add more, if I want to add 4 more, I can do that. Now it takes away my choices of adding title and author, and I can just do the number of books. So then if I click log, now I have unlocked the first badge for reading 5 books. So I've earned 5 tickets, 1 per book read. Now if I want to go and enter the drawing, I can, or I can just go back to logging more books. Now if we go to ticket drawings, now I have 5 tickets to spend in the challenge. So here I can distribute my tickets however I want with 3 different gift cards. You can move them around as well, putting in, if you choose to put in 5 and 5 or 5 and 3 and 2, you can move them around if you'd like to, all into one, or however way you'd like to arrange that. And then the challenge log, in this case it shows us total number of completions is the important part here, that we have 5 completed. If we'd entered a title, it would show a picture of the book there, but since we didn't do that, it's just a blank title. So that is a basic summary of how to register for and use the adult summary program.